guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening 6 booster packs, 1 Pokemon Go, 4 Journey Together, and 1 Destined Rivals at the last part. My channel is all about where I open Pokemon cards and see what I get. So let's get into it. So first of all, I'm going to be opening this Pokemon Go set. Bulbasaur, Squirtle, Bidoof, Onix, Vibraio, Gyarados, Tyranitar, Energy, and Ivysaur, Pokestop, and Unfeathing Pokemon. So now I'm going to be opening this Journey Together pack. Milcery, Paldean Wooper, Impidimp, Wailmer, Shinsino, Lily's Pearl, Maractus, Ens, Clang, Squovit, and a Noivern. Basic Energy and Pokemon. Now we're entering another Journey Together. Torchic, Lilligant, Alolan Graveler, Dunsparce, Potswick, Cloth, Lavinissa, Magmortar, Lombre, and an Alcremie EX. Now we're opening a pack of Destined Rivals. Swellow, Electabuzz, Cynthia's Roselia, Team Rocket's Porygon, Arven's Sandwich, Misty's Starmine, Rapidash, Torchic, Arven's Greedent, and the Team Rocket's Spidops. Now we're opening a blister pack of Hops Zacian Journey Together. And it came with an Enzoroc pack. Cards. Coughing, Shuppet, Hops Corvus Squire, Ens Siglyph, Ens PP Up, Iono's Electrode, Hops Bag, Alolan Marowak, Billy and Onair, and a Butterfree. Now we're opening a blister pack of Lily's Clefairy Journey Together. And it came with the Hops Zacian. Petillo, Pillowswine, Cuffant, Sprigatito, Spiky Energy, Aciglore, Hops Corviknight, Coughing, and an Iono's Kilowattrel illustration rare. Ooh. And an Ens Reshiram at the end. The 2 best cards we got is the Alcremie EX and the Iono's Kilowattrel. Bye guys. See you in the next video.